What if I told you, in Igbo cosmology, rivers aren't just rivers. They have identity. They have authority. And some people believe they have memory. Her name is Nne Mmiri, Mother of Water, and she was never meant to be a fairy tale. Me'e means mother. Mmiri means water. But mother doesn't mean soft. Mother means source. In traditional Igbo belief, water wasn't neutral. Rivers were trade routes. Trade meant wealth. Wealth meant power. So water spirits weren't fantasy creatures. They symbolized flow. Flow of money. Flow of emotion. Flow of destiny. If something controls the river, it controls movement. And movement is power.
Let me translate that into 2026 language. If your culture believes something sacred lives in the river, you don't dump trash in it. You don't disrespect it. You don't pollute your survival source. That's environmental protection wrapped in spirituality. That's not primitive. That's intelligent.
But here's where things shifted. When Europeans encountered West African water deities, European sailors already had maritime myth systems about dangerous feminine sea figures. They translated them through their own myths: sirens, mermaids, seductive water women. And Nne Mmiri slowly became Mami Wata, exoticized, sexualized, detached from her cosmology. But originally, she wasn't about temptation. She was about balance, discipline, flow. Adornment like coral beads symbolized prosperity, not seduction. Translation flattened her depth. And when you remove context, you remove dignity.
Cultural distortion occurs when complex systems are interpreted through external frameworks. Over time, simplified narratives replace original structure. Conclusion: modern imagery of Mami Wata reflects colonial filtering more than indigenous cosmology.
Now, let's ground this. Is Nne Mmiri literal? Within traditional Igbo cosmology, she is understood as real. Is she symbolic? Also, yes. Water represents depth, emotion, the subconscious. When you dream of water, your mind is processing something beneath the surface. When flow is blocked, life feels stagnant. When you stand near a river and feel calm, that's your nervous system responding to movement. So